Hi, in this video, I will show you how to improve user experience in your website that some people not aware with it. If this video gave you value, don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up and also click the subscribe button and notification on so that you will never miss our new videos. As a website builder, you might know about user experience. User experience is the process of enhancing user satisfaction with a product by improving the usability, accessibility, and pleasure provided in the interaction with the product. UX is such a framework. It deals with the needs of users and introduces methods to validate if we are satisfying those needs. In fact, all large companies that create WordPress products have UX designer in their teams, and it clearly shows in their plugins and themes. On this level of competition, there is no other choice. Nowadays, you probably won't be able to stand out from your competitors without UX. Then how to improve user experience in our website? Okay, now sit tight and take your note. I will give you some tips how to improve user experience in your website. Okay, the first thing you have to do is to dive into a simple design. It is important to remember that sometimes less is more. Don't sacrifice functionality for an overly clean and complex design. Ask yourself, will I find this site easier to follow if I first came here? Users appreciate the ease of use and useful features versus disarranged visuals. For example, always place the button where you plan to find one. Make life as easy as possible for your prospects. Because if they struggle with a simple task, they will leave your page immediately. In many cases, a traditional blog format is appropriate, like a header followed by the body and a sidebar, and complete it with a footer. From there, you can make a subtle change to improve the overall design. Okay, the second thing is you have to ensure that the navigation is easy. Navigating your website should be natural and easy for your users. Try to design your website to include the following features like a navigation bar, this is a must-have, a list of categories in your sidebar, a search tool, and an archive page. Using these common design features on your website is a great way to create a familiar experience for your users. Then the third thing is make sure your homepage is useful and informative. Your homepage will almost certainly be the most visited page on your website. Think of them as your personal showcase for the goods and services you offer. A feature box will appear on the homepage, allowing you to include content of your choice. A popular strategy is to use the sign up box to introduce yourself and encourage users to sign up for offers, information, and discounts. The established feature box speaks to the visitor immediately, telling them what to expect from your website and how to get more. This will improve the user experience. Okay, the fourth thing or the last thing is you have to have a clear call to action. What good is your website if you don't tell users what to do? Oftentimes, visitors leave the website without taking any action simply because there is no clear call to action. Well-positioned and well-formulated call to actions are the key to high WordPress conversion rates. Modern users want quick results, so it's a good idea to insert a call to action button right after or in the middle of your written content. WordPress has some useful plugins for managing call to action, and I have a recommendation for you. There's a plugin called Floating Zone Button. It is a customizable suggestion button that can help you do various things like adding call to action, scroll to top, display custom pop-up like blocks, shortcuts, widgets, links, and many more. Since it almost have anything, you can consider to use it for your site. I will put the link on the description below. Okay, so that's all from me. Don't forget to dive into a simple design, ensure the navigation is easy, make sure your homepage is useful and informative, and have a clear call to action. If you have any question about the plugins or the content that I present today, you can write it in the comment section below. Feel free to ask by the way. Thank you for watching. I will see you in another video. Bye!